way, I go as fast as I can to collect fruit from those trees before the monkeys get it all. You see, the fruit is too high for me to reach, and the monkeys can't climb up to get it because the tree has thorns. We all have to wait until the wind knocks it down. They're so fast. They always get to the fallen fruit before I do. That's too bad. But I bet you can do some things that they can't do. Yes, like... Can you play soccer? Wow, I've never done that before. Anything can happen in my world, Jet.
What's that sound?
That wind is strong. It's what brings the fruit down from the trees. If we hurry, maybe we can get some before the monkeys come back. Let's collect lots of fruit for Tess. Okay. Let's play. 1, 2, 3. We have a job to do, so forming a team we will kick with a 1 and a 2, then into the net on a 3. Watch this, Chloe. You got the fruit. Thank you.
Hold it! That's our fruit.
We think the fruit belongs to everyone on the island.
And we think the fruit belongs to us. Okay, team, let's huddle.
We would like to challenge you to a game of soccer. Whoever wins will get the fruit.
It is a deal. First half, kick off. Look out! What are you doing? Lay on!
Teamwork, Jet! Right! 1, 2, 3!
Goal!
Good job! Yes, we did it! Of course we did! We're a team!
Monkeys, kick off! Maybe we should try working as a team. Nice one, Papu.
Oh, hang on, Tess, we're coming!
Oh, no. Goal! Hooray! Second half, kick off! Obstruction! Clear the playing area quickly, please.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I'll clean it right up.
We will help you.
Lollipops, they work fast together. Too bad they can't work together like that all the time.
Kick off!
Chloe, pass, I'm open!
Game
Yay!
Final score,
Hooray!
2-1 to Chloe's team.
Hooray! Woohoo! Fantastic!
Whatever it was, I didn't do it. Only joking. What can I do for you, officer?
It's about Mr. Monkey. Someone is stealing his bananas.
What? Stealing bananas? Oh, this is indeed a sad day for monkeys everywhere. Must have just happened today, huh?
What do you mean?
Well, yesterday, I saw Mr. Monkey walking down the street eating 2 bananas, one in each hand.
Good day, officer.
Good day, sir. May I ask you some questions?
I'd be happy to answer your questions.
Do you know who's been stealing Mr. Monkey's bananas?
Don't know anything about it. Not a big fan of bananas. Unless they're frozen, of course. I'm a wee bit miffed with Mr. Monkey, though. The other day I said hello to him, and he walked right past me.
That doesn't sound like Mr. Monkey. For any problem, big or small, Chloe's squad is on the ball.
Then you've solved the crime?
Not yet, but we will. Okay, squad. What did we find out? Everyone says Mr. Monkey is nice. Not everyone. Mr. Polar Bear said that he walked right past yesterday and didn't even say hello. And Mrs. Flamingo said he's been a bit cranky from his diet because he only gets 1 banana a day. Really? I talked to a monkey who saw him yesterday with 2 bananas, 1 in each hand.
Excuse me, officers, but it's time for my nap. Would anyone care to join me?
No, we should stay out here and keep an eye on things.
Right then. Good luck.
I think I know who's taking the bananas. We'll stay here and try to catch him in the act. You know who it is?
Who is it?
I don't want to blame anyone until I know for sure. Let's just keep watch and see what happens.
Chloe. Ah! Oh, sorry. I just came to help.
Thank you, lovely carrot.
You're welcome, Miss Chloe. Someone's coming.
It's Mr. Monkey. He's still asleep. Pickles! It's Mr. Monkey. He's stealing his own bananas.
Never fear. I'll stop him. Stop! Hey! Stop! Stop!
Mr. Monkey, are you okay?
Hello!
He won't wake up, lovely carrot.
I'll wake him. Stand back.
Goodness. What am I doing out here?
You were sleepwalking, Mr. Monkey, and stealing your own bananas.
Oh, dear. Oh, dear. I can't believe it. It was me all the time. I was stealing my own bananas in my sleep. How'd you know it was me, Chloe?
First, you're the only one with a key to the stand. And you said that your bananas disappear every day while you're napping. Mrs. Flamingo said you've been a bit cranky from your 1 banana a day diet, but someone saw you with 2 bananas. Finally, Mr. Polar Bear said that you didn't say hello to him when you walked past him. The only way that would ever happen is if you were sound asleep.
Oh, that is brilliant, Chloe.
Thanks. But we all work together to figure it out. For any problem, big or small, Chloe's squad is on the ball. Mr. Knight!
Wiz! Are you in there?
Whiz! Whiz! Whiz? Oh, excuse us.
Abracabam! Can do, can see. Do not come in. This room's for me! Abracabam! Can do, can see. Go away! Just let me be! Oh dear. Whatever am I going to do?
Oh, poor wizard. What's wrong?
Nothing is wrong. I am Abracabam, the greatest wizard in the world. Oh, it's just that my trusty wand seems to be in the fritz today.
What's in here?
That is a magic cube. Inside is a potion that can make you invisible.
Ooh, I'd love to see that.
Your wish is my command, Miss Chloe.
He's invisible.
I'm right here. Am I invisible?
Nope. Your wand is broken and your magic potions don't work. Are you sure you're a great wizard?
I am Abracabam, the greatest wizard in the world, and I shall prove it. This is my magic sphere. With this, I can change the weather. Abracabam, can do, can see. Make it snow on them and me. Oh dear.
Get down! Is that what your magic sphere is supposed to do?
No, it's supposed to make it snow.
Well, it looks like snow.
Oh, this will never do. I simply must find my magic cone.
What's a magic cone?
It's what I wear on my head when I do my magic.
The magic cone is his hat.
No, I misplaced it somewhere. Nothing works correctly without it.
Why didn't you tell us that before?
I was too embarrassed to tell you. Great wizards never ask for help.
Everyone needs help sometimes. When was the last time you saw it?
Well, I remember putting it on my bedpost last night. Perhaps I left it there. But I did have it with me in the bathroom while brushing my teeth this morning. Let's look there. But I was wearing it when I visited the Queen in the throne room after breakfast, so it has to be there. Are you coming? Oh, I hope it's here. Yes! My magic cone!
Mr. Knight! Whiz!
Hooray!
Lollipops! Is it your birthday, Mr. Knight?
I'm so glad I found you. This calls for a celebration. Abracabam, can do, can see. A celebration for my friends and me.
That sounded like a jaguar. Don't worry. All of the animals are friendly in my world. That monkey sounds friendly. Hey! Give those back. There, that's better. Hey! Stop that! Hey! Give me my hat back.
It's not yours.
Let's go, Mr. Monkey! He wants us to follow him. Woohoo! We're going on a jungle adventure. Hey! Wait for me! Wow! It's a pyramid! Maybe there's a lost treasure inside. And it's guarded by a mummy.
A mummy! Run!
Silly lovely carrot. It's not a mummy. It's a parrot.
Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear.
Is everything okay, Mrs. Parrot?
No, it is not. My egg rolled from my nest and dropped right through a crack in the roof of the pyramid. Now it is trapped inside.
We'll help you get your egg back, Mrs. Parrot.
You will? Oh, but you can't. The pyramid is guarded by that lizard.
Let's go and talk to him. Excuse me, Mr. Lizard, sir.
What? Who? Where? Why? What? Who are you?
I'm Chloe, and these are my friends.
Delighted to meet you all. I don't get many visitors out here. Now, where did I put my book?
Here it is, Mr. Lizard.
Thank you, my dear. If there's ever anything I can do to help you, just let me know.
Could you let us go into the pyramid, please?
What? Oh, no. I cannot do that, my dear.
But Mrs. Parrot's egg is inside.
I am terribly sorry, but I truly can't. You see, the pyramid won't open until a secret puzzle is solved.
Then we'll solve the puzzle.
Good for you, my dear. It's a simple puzzle, really. All you have to do is guess what color I'll turn into next. Watch. So now, what color will I turn into next?
Gee, I don't know. There's so many choices. Lollipops, that's a hard puzzle.
It appears that none of you know the answer right now. Huh? Why don't you think about it and come back when you figured it out?
Wait, I could guess the answer, Mr. Lizard.
Oh, no. Did I forget to tell you that you only get one guess between you?
Only one?
I am afraid so. And if you get it wrong, the gates stay shut forever.
My egg!
Look, we don't have time to play now, Mr. Monkey. We're trying to solve the puzzle of the pyramid. Please, we can't think when you're making all that noise. Oh, I wish we knew the answer to that puzzle. Oh, why don't you just go home? Wait, are you trying to tell us something, Mr. Monkey? Do you know how to solve the puzzle?
must know how to solve it.
Tell us, please, tell us.
Look at Mrs. Parrot, right next to you. Her body is red, then yellow, then blue. Red, yellow, blue, see? Red, yellow, blue, see? That's a pattern.
That's a pattern.
That's a pattern.
That's a pattern.
Think about the jungle. If you would, the birds and snakes and a bridge of wood. Green, yellow, red, see?
Green, yellow, red, see?
That's a pattern.
That's a pattern.
That's a pattern.
That's a pattern.
Thank you.
Cowabunga!
Say ah.